Worth Wildlife Control. I want to talk to you today about rats, roof rats, Asian rats, black rat, ship rat, whatever you want to call it. It's the roof rat. It's the one that gets up in your attics. It's the one that leaves droppings and urine all in the insulation. It can ruin the insulation if gone too long. In that case, it can be very expensive to clean up and remediate. Restoration of the attic can be about $6 a square foot. So I recommend animal proofing your home so this doesn't ever happen. If rats just move in, it's not so bad. It's not a big deal. It's not going to be that expensive. You just want to give us a call so we can get out there and do an inspection. A lot of times we can put up a one-way door that will allow animals out and not back in. With the rest of the vents and everything under the soffit, the gaps and cracks, you know, that's easy. You can seal that stuff up so they get out the one-way door, they cannot get back in, and that works very well. If you just started hearing the noises, don't panic. Just give us a call. We'll get you on the schedule. We'll give you a free inspection. All right. Thanks for watching. Visit our website, www.dfwwildlife.com, and go to our Facebook page, go to our YouTube channel, check us out, follow us. Thanks. So I recommend just do exclusion work to prevent this from ever happening. Do animal proofing. Animal proofing.